There is a new addition to Clay Engine brushes. It's called Act as a Vox Hide. So now when you do this, it will hide voxels, and then if you press Control, it will unhide it. So it's actually really amazing tool to create destruction modeling and really fast, and it's limited, so you never can go outside the boundaries of the original object, and you can switch the alpha. So I click use current alpha, switch to that alpha, I can make it bigger, start to deform it and modify. This is an example of I use it quite a bit more, and you can see now I can make it big, smaller, move it around, destroy it again, recover. This is just magic. To do destruction so fast on the fly, really, you can't compare to any other software.